Okay, so I'm going to show you how I make an origami frog. I'm sure there's lots of you out there who are better at origami than me, but this is always something I do if I've got a spare piece of card or a postcard or something little that's rectangular shaped that I can start folding. So the first thing you do, like I said, your piece of card needs to be rectangular shaped. So it needs to have two sides that are the same length and the other two sides the same length that are parallel to each other. Start off by taking one of the corners and folding it over to the side so that it is this top side, or what was the top side, folds flat along the other side. So if you open it up, you should be able to see folds flat to the other side. Remember, if you get confused or would like to slow down anytime, you can pause the video. So that's there. We're going to do now the same on the other side. So we're going to take this top corner, match up the sides together, then fold it down. When you open it up, you should have a lovely cross in the middle there. Now this is probably the most tricky bit of making your frog. You need to push this side in and push this side in. So these folds we've got here, we're going to fold down on top of them, but on the top we want to try and fold down with these folds too. You might need a parent or a carer to help you, or you might be the expert at this and the parent and carers might not be able to do this bit. Once you've folded them in, push them down and you should have a lovely triangle on top here. And this is what it should look like underneath. But you mainly want the triangle on top there. We then take a corner again and fold it to the top. These are going to form our frog legs or hands. Fold that one down. So it's kind of half that triangle if you see. After that, we're going to do the same on the other side so that they meet in the middle. Fold them down. So they fold in like that. Now, I'm going to take this side, or the other side, doesn't matter, we'll do the same both sides. And effectively, we're going to fold down here. So we're going to fold this to the middle again. That line should follow all the way down from the middle here, down to there, and then fold down. We're then going to do the same on the other side. And you should have a shape that looks a bit like this now. Almost a bit like a towel, but you've got your floppy hands coming in and the sides folded in two. After that, we're then going to fold the bottom bit here all the way up. So it's going to, the fold line is going to appear here. So I'm going to fold it across. Press it down. And open it up and you'll see my fold line is about there. Once I've done that, I'm going to fold it back on itself. So this line here now is going to meet up with this line here. Fold it down. And then that's it. You've got your own little jumping origami frog.